this is so satisfying. I'm a TV. So next I'm gonna take this. Keep it here. Oh yeah!
Amazing Ashi!
Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this Hot Wheels box. Uh-oh. I got the car. Ta-da! Vroom, vroom, vroom. So I'm going to put this car over here. Okay, now we are going to check how to fix it and what all pieces are there. So this is the manual. That's one cool picture of how it looks and the manual thingy. Of course, this is a manual. Yeah, so inside it shows that we have these two pieces. So let me check these. I'm keeping it over here, arranged. I'll put the car in that. Oh, it literally fell upside down. Okay, so the next piece is this. We can see. Let me search for it. Okay, I got them. Pew, pew, pew. Mantis. Cool. So I'll keep this which looks like a watermelon eaten the last thingy. I'm keeping it over here. Okay, the next one is this orange thing. Actually, I don't know. Oh yeah, I think it's for the rolling. Pew! 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 Snake! Yeah! Cool. Okay, this is also like the watermelon thingy. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this thing. Oh, this is so satisfying. Look, this thing is so great. Yeah, so I'm not sure what this does, but I think it's for the car to go, friend. I'll keep it there. Now the next thing I'm gonna take this is this big thing. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I think it's for the loops which are over here. Yeah, they are loops. This one. This not a loop, but it's for the loop. Okay, next I'm gonna take this TV thing. Cool. I'm a TV. Very funny. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this thingy. Oh, I think it's for. Oh yeah. I'm not understanding. I think it's for. Yeah! So funny. This guy won't sit here. I'll keep it near my glasses. Okay, so next. What did I not take? Yeah, I'll take this type of small thing, which is smaller than this guy. Okay, this guy. I don't really understand. I think it's a trackpad. Cool. Okay, next I'm gonna take this tiniest rod. This. Keep it here. So funny. Okay, next. This Hot Wheels fire thing. It's gonna be great. Phew! Fire! Okay. So finally managed to fix this thing. Yeah, it had C's. Yeah. Okay, so where's the manual? Oh yeah, I got it. Next, I think, yeah, with this, with that, and this thing, I still don't understand what this thing is for. Yeah, so I think we had to connect it and then connect it with the next one, this. Okay, so after reading the manual, I think we should keep the car over here. Push. Hey, it go perfectly. Really? Are you serious, my bro? I went back. Yeah, so. Are you serious, my bro? That's a funny thing. Okay, got to go fast. Really? Why is this thing not working? Where? Sabas. Hey, come here.